Hi guys, I'm Samuel Nidutiofilos, an AI engineer, and today I will be discussing the very common question I'm asked. Uh, how do I get into AI, right? So I'll be discussing this in two folds. First, for non-technical files, technical professionals who are not looking to build AI tools or code and are just trying to use AI in their businesses, or integrate AI into their businesses and workflows, right? Or processes, yes. And then the second part would be for technical developers who are trying to, or people who are trying to like build AI solutions, build code AI, use AI APIs and the rest. So yes. So let's get to the point. And so for not if you're a non-technical user, right? So you have a business or you are working and you are trying to find out ways in which AI can be used to optimize your current um, work, right, or your business. Now, there are various ways you can look at this, and I would say the first is to understand basics, right? So the first step would be to understand what AI really is. You cannot use AI if you don't know what AI is. So you need to use YouTube or just get. You can use structured courses like AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng. You'll find that on Coursera. So, or you could just go to YouTube and just watch videos that try to introduce the a concept of AI. What is AI? What can you do with AI? How a business is using AI, and when you understand, like understanding this foundation, and then you get into tools like um ChatGPT, right? Because I know the buzz with AI started, it got very loud when ChatGPT was released or when the LLMs were released. So people have started to talk about AI a lot more with the progress in Gen AI, ChatGPT. We have Mid Journey and the rest. So, but AI has been here before then. So, but most likely, I'm assuming that most when you talk about getting into AI now, most you are more concerned with Gen AI. So you can look at tools like ChatGPT, like DeepSeek, like um Gemini, and just try to see how you can get started with these tools, how to use them, how to prompt, how to get them to complete certain tasks for you. So this will give you a good understanding of how to get started or how to like use AI for maybe copywriting or to refine or extract information from documents, and then you could start going to more tools, start exploring tools that will help you to automate certain things like Zapier. How can you automate some business processes with Zapier or Make or some of these other automation tools? You could look into like tools like Level Labs to see how you can automate maybe uh s- um voice over text to speech. You just there are a lot of tools. So if I believe when you follow when you follow the AI blogs or podcasts that discuss or talk about AI, check YouTube, check articles. You will get news about some of the trending AI tools. If you check Product Hunt, if you are someone who is interested in like looking at new products, if you check Product Hunt, you will see AI tools for CV buildings, AI tools for meeting transcribing, for voiceovers, for creating videos, for creating generating text. So you will see a lot of other tools. So, but I would say a soft start would be to learn how to use LLMs, right? That's when I say LLMs, foundational models, that's ChatGPT, Grok, DeepSeek. So when you use these tools, when you start with these tools and you get to learn how to, this will give you a soft landing into the AI space or using AI in your business for very basic stacks. And then you could go into more specialized AI solutions. There are a lot of them out there, and you could get this. You could start getting to work with them. At some point, you might need the expertise of a specialized person like myself, an AI engineer, because if you're trying to integrate businesses, the more you get into the basically as we begin to dive deeper into AI and see what AI is able to do, you might want some customized or some specialized functions, and that will require you having to build or create something of your own. So yeah, so but before you get to that space, you can just start. The first step is to get familiar with the concept of AI. So understand what it is, understand there's no magic bullet, read a lot, and then just attend AI ethic, or let's say AI workshop boot camps, and just hear discussions around AI, hear how other businesses, or how other users or professionals are working with these AI tools. Learn a lot about the ethics with respect to your country. If you learn all the policies, or all the what is required of you when you are working with AI tools, and then just get familiar with this. This would be a very good start for you to get into AI. If you have more questions, if you want to reach out or need more guidance, yes, so I will drop my contacts um under this video, and you can get to reach out to me.